Hi, it's Kate with WTI, and I wanted to share this incredible foundation that I've recently discovered. So it's from Anastasia Beverly Hills foundation. It's a liquid foundation with medium coverage. So I've been faithful to my foundation for a very long time, but I do love trying new things, and so I wanted to test this one out. It has a pump, which is always a win. I love when they have a pump. It's so much cleaner. And it's quite liquidy. But what that means is that when you blend it out, so I use a beauty blender, when you blend it out, it gives you such a thin but natural look. So you don't have any of that cakiness. It blends in so nicely with your skin. Look how far that goes. I can do like almost my whole face with one pump. So it is a medium coverage. So you can see that I still have a few blemishes coming through, which doesn't bother me at all. I like a more natural look, but I also like to have an even skin tone, which is why I need foundation. So do you see just how beautifully that blended out? It looks like natural skin. Like you can't even tell that there's a foundation on there other than seeing that it's not blended down my hand. Look at that. I just love it. I cannot believe the beautiful finish that this gives. I am so impressed, and it doesn't transfer, which is even better. So if you're looking to change your foundation, try this one out. I am blown away. I've tried many foundations over the years, and most of them don't live up to the hype, but this one does. So if you're gonna try something and put your money behind something, I would definitely give this one a try. And that's my point of view.